Hello and welcome my friend, and next I like to show you that how works this Lexus car's credit card key. And here we have really this credit card key, and this is really unique device what we can get and purchase from the Toyota or Lexus dealership centers. And in some Lexus car models this key is included in normal package, like this Lexus LS series car. And normally we have these 2 or 3 these keys in our Lexus car, these keys, but some cases we have this credit card key, and this is really excellent spare part because this is so thin and we can install this key in our wallet. It is like credit card size, and it goes nicely in here. And look, it is like in here. This is so excellent. And this is almost similar than this normal Lexus remote smart key. Only difference is that this normal key we have these buttons that we can press this door opening, close and trunk door, these buttons. But in here we don't have. But here is thing that this is so thin, and this works also almost same way in that way, but we have to use this inside key in here, and after that when we are inside in our car we have to install this our key to against this start and stop button what normally starts engine. This is like smart key where is this wireless installation in inside, and there is also inside in here battery. And let's look firstly that I will show that how we replace this battery, because this battery is also very unique, small battery, and we can get new battery from Toyota and Lexus spare part and service stations. And firstly I like to show that how we open this door. We go to in this back area, and here is small button in here, that area in here. And in some, if we have long nails we can press that, but best way is that if we have some key and we press that central area in inside in that way, and same time we pull out this in here and then in that way, and now this key opens. And this is really this Lexus front door and trunk doors key, and it is same way like we have in here this our standard key. It is similar, but this is much thinner. Look, this is so thin, but we can open this door easily with this key also. And this is like excellent spare part key. And then when we open our door we can next after that install this key back in this position. It goes nicely. Little bit press that this area and then it goes very nice lock. And after that we only install this our credit card to cabin areas. Press start button and this sends data to our car's computer. Okay, and then how we can replace this credit card's battery, because it is also really interesting. Okay, and how we replace this Lexus car's credit cards, smart keys. This is like smart key that we can use that in same way like in this normal key. How we can replace this battery? This is really interesting. We have to press when we rotate that area in this up area. When we press that up in this way, there is small battery, and I can take that away, and we can see also this type in here. And let's go to look closer that type. Okay, and we really need to get battery. What type is this CR2412? This is important in here. This type. CR2412. And use high quality batteries like Panasonic, because if we use poor quality batteries, there is leak possibility, and then this our credit card, this device, it can go bad because this area. And then when we install this battery pack, and really in Lexus and Toyota dealership centers, they replace also this battery. And this battery is important because if we don't have this battery, then this our smart key, it don't work and it don't start our car. And this is the issue, because this battery makes this wireless this radius that we can start this our Lexus car's engine. And also remember, this key, it has been programmed to our car's computer, like in this key and that key. Normally in Lexus cars we have 4 key positions in our car's this key computer, and this means that 1, 2, 3 and 4th is the service key. And remember, all of these keys are unique. There is unique position in computer program. Okay, and this Lexus and Toyota service centers, they can program this our key. And now I installed how this goes back in here, and this battery really goes really easily. It goes very nicely that I only slide that in here. And remember to install that in same way what you had. And then we install this locking key. And now this key is ready, and this is really unique, excellent innovation.